Big up Rangside TV. Yeah, people, I mean I say right now, reggae music, nice again. Big man thing. We not like dancehall music, nice again. It's been a long time, me I tell you, a long time. We are wait for hear somebody come and start dominate the music other than Vybz Kartel. I know say the art cast still not easy to do. But right now I feel say Mavado, you know, him start to go out with that thing, you know, like Mavado start make some wicked music. You see me I say, I don't know if Mavado is one of them artists there where it has to be a clash thing or a look, you know what I mean, probably with other artists before we want to mix him. But I'm not telling a lie, the music when Mavado come with since lately, I'm not telling you, you like people, I have to rate them, you see, if enough man come and try and feel like it, enough man come here hot. What say I say 6-7 months and then just frazzle out, you see, I not call none you see, but I not like Mavado, you have one good, you see me. As I say people, you don't know say Vybz Kartel, you know, enough of the art and enough of we love Vybz Kartel and nobody can take Vybz Kartel place. But there's other places out there for other artists who not take it up, you see me, I say no. And we can't have an artist and they are jail around the road harder than the one them but they're out there, you see me, I say no. You see me people, when I understand where I come from though, when me I say this, Mavado, since a little beef with popcorn thing, him start come hard. Mavado always a hard artist in him, always come with some wicked tune, you know. And I can't say one of Mavado tune when I say boy, that's all good. You see me, I say no, we can't say tune where him do enough tune Mavado do where we can't say boy. You know, Kartel can't tap that, you understand what I try to show you? Or another artist can tap that, you see me? But right now, Mavado come with some blows and curtain people where we say boy, John Noah. Yes, you tell them things you should have gone with a long time because somebody have to come on it, you know, somebody have to come on and start until Vybz Kartel come back and road. You see me I say until a long time when I say nobody really do it good. You see me I say Mavado, as everybody knows Mavado about a long time now. You see me, and Mavado one of the artists, the only artist who's trying to get Vybz Kartel and some people say Mavado win, some people say Kartel win. You understand me I say no one very blah blah. You see, but Mavado one of the only artists who can say boy in. Stand up beside Vybz Kartel. You see me I say and the Kartel are run for money. You see me I say no, so people me I say right about now, you know. Mavado, John Gum love where you go on my youth. Mavado is the word. Like that little pussy that was terrorized them see that me know. Well them getting anything the war start them feel more them stand you know. What more say me tell pussy father go murder this son. Pussy only get five and your face with the murder you done. You know what you want and you can't bad. Straight up you know what a little grandma. Pull the pussy up like a pal like handbag. Whoever gets back down could have never style that. Hold it, that tune them, but that tune them bad.
We can't tell you already. Feel the strength about. Feel the strength about. What more chicken for me killing? What more chicken for me killing? Feel the strength about. Feel the strength about. To where you do know. In your head shot full of. To a boom, foot no go from Juko. Killer your gunshot a fire and look up and say, Daddy does us if you continue on with you. When you see me, you are run around to you. When you see me stop run that pull up. Straight down in the gang as I say you. Chat you does a chat you full of shit. And I tell you what the young one of us you want to see the fool get up. Chopping at the gully and float, take swell up. Any rents when you have a poor more better send me let nobody down but I want friend you. Sus get the car and sus out and not feel me here. Everything well up. I want to where you do know. You know your head shot full up. To a boom, foot no go from Juko. Killer your gunshot a fire and look up and say, that's right. Daddy does us if you continue on with you. When you see me you are run around to you. When you see me stop run that pull up.
I love that tune of it's yo. I love the tune. I knew it, Mr. Ben, I said my style. Music. People are tuning up women. The wickedest tunes are women. Well. Yo, people, we telling that tune there. No, where Killer accept himself.
Find me, what a world. Look at our tight with this kind of world. The young boy, I'm gonna young around you. Oh, yes, you know, no, you're zone. That's loud. There's a look in my phone. All the next load, that's down. You know, find some tips and that's all. That's right. Well, we fight, we run the world, you know, we know, we call them. All the war, we start, the switch is all them cross. Coming up, so young, we got, we call them.
But the Killer find the owner of her.
I say we should have a land and find out, you know.
So I say, yo, alright then cool. So I say, no, alright, no, that's the wire segment. You see me, I say, no, me give mobile the wire segment. Me give mobile the wire segment. I have to go to mobile now.
Record. Here's what I'll say. I'm gonna switch it to that. He loves you. I'm gonna kill for you. I'm gonna dead for you. Just make up your mind. I'm gonna know what you have to do. Love is something
so I say no, who are coming the best girl shoe now? Yes, I say no. So I say the wire part, for that little, I say overall no, but for that little segment there, for you look at things in popcorn up until now. Yes, I say no, the 15th of October 2016. Yes, I say no, I have to give that part there to Movado. People, respect. Yes, I say, and remember, check out Rangside News Tune out on YouTube called Energy Girl, and also check out my mixtape on YouTube as well. That one good. So yes, I say now, people keep on supporting things. Until next time, Rangside TV was here. More cut, more edit, right here on Rangside TV. I said it. Boom.